Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Justin. Good morning, Boss G. Good morning, Keefan. You guys can't see me. Ah, there we go. Thank you, Quentin. Alright, we're kind of just doing an evaluation of the market. Looks like tech stocks are trying to climb back up. The Dow Jones is down 202 points. It's trying to come back up a little bit, so hopefully it can do more. We got Apple that's climbing. We got AMD. Looks like it's trying to climb here. You got Tesla. They're trying to climb, so that's good. You got, let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is trying to climb. Nice. What about Amazon? Amazon's trying to climb. It's back in the 2900s. Last week it hit in the 2700s. So I do think that the market crash is basically over. Let's see here. Can I put my mic a bit closer to my face? Hopefully that's better. Tesla is hitting the 880s, which is great. What about bank stocks? Where are they at? HBAN? It looks like HBAN is dropping. Bank of America is struggling as well. Okay. It's trying to rebound a little bit here, but looks like HBAN is still struggling. Hear us now. Great. Hi, Alan. You can't really hear us. Not sure how much closer I can do for you. Yeah, I have my mic settings all the way up. Good morning, John. How's it going? Yeah, not a mic issue. I'm just quiet. Yeah, it's been a long morning. I'm pretty tired. Good morning, Vicky. Let's see here. It looks like bank stocks are continue to drop right here. So we're not doing bank stocks right now. That looks too dangerous to even go in right now. Bank of America, Bank of America is kind of consolidating, but it's not safe when it's consolidating and could drop more here. Amazon's continuing to climb. So one thing I like to do with like Amazon is a stock that's $2,930, which is quite a bit. But if you look right here on the bid, it says 29.27, ask is 29.30. So there's a $3 difference that's between there. So if I were to trade Amazon, I would say, okay, well, let's do one share. Now it's at 30, 31, and 34 here. So I'll go for 29.32 buy. Okay, well now it just dropped quite a bit right there on me, $5 worth. So I can still see that I got in at 29.31.30. I got in at 32 as the price that I put in, but got me in 70 cents less. So what I can do is I can just switch it to 3 right there, hit sell. See how the price is at 36, but I'm still going to continue with my sell. So here I set it up to sell me at a 29.33, right? So it's like $6 less than what it's going on for the bid. But if I mouse right here, you can see that it still got me out at 29.39. So I still got, for with one share, you just watch me get an $8 and 26 cents movement off of one share. And now it's back down. Okay, now let's see. It's struggling to keep the bid higher. Price is still good, so it could still climb up more, but the wicks are getting longer on the top. So most likely will turn soon. So yeah, like I said, you just saw me get an $8.26 movement off of one share, which can really add up a lot. Because if you have, let's say, bring out the calculator here. Woo, too big. Okay, let's say you have the calculator out. Let's say you do 50 shares. Well, then 50 times 8.3, we said 26. So then that 50 shares right there would have been $413. Now 50 shares, that you would have had to put in a total of 29, 31, 20. It's $146,000 that you had to put up front to make that $400. So that was a really nice quick movement, even though it was just one share. We like the quick movements. It is kind of consolidating right here. So, and the stochastic is dropping. So another thing that I like to look at is if the stochastic is dropping, but the price action isn't dropping, that tells me it's going to consolidate until it's done dropping with the stochastic. And then as soon as the stochastic curves, while the price has been staying in the same area, then it means that the stock will continue on an uptrend. The chances for that are a lot higher to do that. So here we're starting to see a curve. So we'll watch it for a minute. Still staying up in the area. Still in the same area, even though it's on the top end. Looks like it's going back down here a little bit. So we'll just wait it out and see. And this isn't just for like Amazon that this trick works with reading the chart. That is just a pattern that I look for a lot on a lot of different stocks. Good morning, Yoshi Army Games. Okay, here we see it curving up again, and back down it goes. So it's trying to figure out what it wants to do here. It is at the edge of this red line right here, the SMA 5. So let's see what it does here. Here it's in the, it's trying to curve. You can see, oh, back down it goes. So basically look at this as a stepping ladder. Here's the first step. And then when you put your foot down, it goes down a little bit. And then you raise up to go to the next step of the stairs. And it's trying to climb. And here, this one, we're taking a breather. And just staying in this area for a minute. We'll see if it breaks down below right here, because it is now bad that it did go below this, but it's turning green as it's trying to curve. So we'll see this break up most likely, I think, as long as it can continue. More of a curve here now again. You must be wondering, why have I not gone in yet though, if I think it's going to go up with this pattern? I never like to go in when it's consolidating because it could still turn on you. So as soon as the pattern is built and it's confirmed that it's going to go in one direction, then I'll trade it. But right now I won't, even though the stochastic keeps dropping and it stays in the same area, I still won't. I want it to start at a higher point above this consolidation that it's doing. As soon as it starts above the higher point and confirms that it's going to continue on an uptrend, then I will continue to trade it and place another trade and then watch it go. Good morning, Jack. How's markets doing today? The market is doing pretty good. The Dow futures, the Dow is down 140 points right now. Bank stocks are struggling, but the tech sector that we're in is climbing. So, that's the one that we're watching. So, it's good that it's trying to climb. Uh, if you notice this pattern though, it looks like it's trying to break down a little bit out of its consolidation point, but it's at the bottom of its consolidation. The way that we know that it's at the bottom of this consolidation is that you take this candlestick right here, and you take the top of this candlestick, the bottom of this one, not the wick, but the candle itself, and then you see the bottom of this. Those three match, so that becomes the new support level, and then it hits right here, and it's trying to bounce off of that right now. So it's trying to, so that's the bottom of the consolidation. It's trying to decide if it's gonna keep going down or if it's gonna go up. So we'll figure out what happens here. This is a kind of a steep drop on that stochastic that all of a sudden happened here. Looks like it might drop a little bit more. So we were safe to stay out of it during the consolidation. That is a big reason why I stay out of the consolidations. Because you never really know. Even though the chart may look in your favor, you still want to play it safe. Can this turn around though pretty quickly? Yeah, it can really turn around really fast with the stochastic being this low. And it can enter right back into it. Kind of like it did here, where it just dropped and then boom. Here, dropped, boom. Here, drop, let's hope for the boom. We're gonna do the drawing at 8 o'clock. Now that the market's trying to recover a little bit, I want to watch it before I do the drawing. So at 8 o'clock, I will do the drawing then. Looks like it's trying to enter into a consolidation right here. It's curving on the stochastic. It's hitting the bottom red line, the 20 line, which means it is entering oversold territory. So the chances of it bouncing back up are pretty good on that. Looks like other stocks are kind of doing the same thing because it was kind of consolidating here and it's dropped here. So now it's hitting the oversold territory in like AMD here. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla, the same thing. We had to drop, boom, nice climb, consolidation, and then it's been struggling here, but it is hitting the oversold territory as well. Let's go back to Amazon. How was all of you guys this weekend? You guys doing anything fun? Work. That sounds like fun, Scott. Alright, looks like it's trying to rebound here, which is nice. It's trying to cross the red SMA 5 on the 1 minute. It is crossing it, and the SMA 5 is curving, which is nice. You cleaned the house, Alan? That can be fun. It's interesting how the market is going right now. It is interesting. It's definitely interesting because it's trying to climb up, but it's struggling right here. It might climb up more. It is higher than the SMA 5 now on this 1 minute chart. We'll look at the 15. So the 15 still saying it's in positive territory, but it is kind of more dangerous. It did open up on the 15-minute chart 29.38, so that one's dangerous until it goes past 10. But we don't have to only look at now. Let's look at bank stocks. Oh, it looks like this one did get off of its low, but if you see right here, this is the 80 red line right here, and it's in the overbought territory. So what I'm thinking is we had at bottom, then climb back up. Now it's consolidating while it's in the overbought territory, so the chances of it dropping are pretty good. So this crossing on the MACD would be a dangerous one. So notice how right here, this line right here with these yellow bars, the histogram has a 0.0. So this is my moving average on the histogram, but if the charts are below the 0.0, it's in negative territory. So even if the MACD crosses in negative territory, you have to be careful. Let's see the watch list. Roku has dropped too much. I'm actually going to take Roku off my list. I don't want to trade Roku at all. Let's look at Shopify. Shopify is doing a really nice climb. That is a nice climb. That's a good climb. I like this. Yeah, I like that. It is in the overbought territory, but so the only thing that's bad about any of these indicators that it's in the overbought territory. Everything else is it's good. Shopify. Let's put Shopify on here too. So Shopify has a $4 spread between the bid and the ask. $3, $4. It's dropping a little bit right here. So $3. 2, 3, 4. So let's use 10 shares, which will be $9,260. But I get to cancel. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take this spread between the two. We'll say 920. Looks like it's trying to climb. It's $1 spread right now, so $2, 3, 2.5 right there. 928, 29. Let's take 929. We would have to drop for a second to it. If we got in there. So let's see if we can get a 929. And then we'll get ready right here to do 931. So let's get a $2 movement hopefully right here. So 929, we're next in line. Okay, boom, we're in. Okay, and then boom, we hit sell. We're ready. One of the next ones in line for under the ask. Boom, we're out. So you can see right here, we got in at the 929. You can see right here, it filled at 931.0499. So a $2 movement, $2 and basically 5-cent movement in matter of seconds. I got in at so Eastern Standard Time, it's 9:58:47. I got out at 9:58:56. So in 9 seconds, I just made $20. So I don't go for a bottom. I don't go for a top. I like it when there's a spread in between the bid and the ask because it's a lot easier to get in and out. All right, well, we got 5 seconds till we were going to do the drawing. So let me get everything up for that. Random roll generator. We currently have how many people? All right, 96. Remember, guys, let's take a moment. If you need to ask for your number, let me know right now. I'll give you your number before I do the drawing. Well, I'll give you guys a few minutes to ask. Drawing? Yeah, Beak Young. So the drawing that we're doing, it's for $1,000 every single week. We do a drawing for $1,000. How you can get entered into this drawing, Beaker, is you have to have your account shown as public, then you subscribe to this channel. Because if your account is showing as private and you're subscribed, I can't see your name, so I can't put you into the drawing if it's showing as private. So you have to do it as public so I can see your name. And then you go in into my Excel sheet. You get a number attached to your name. Then I will do this random generator. Right now we have a total of 96. And then of people. So I will do like a random roll, and this person would win if uh, if there was the number. So it's pretty easy, pretty quick, and actually, uh, Beaker, I actually see your name as one of the subscribers, so you are on there, just so that you know. Um, so let me give you guys your numbers. Beaker, I'll start with you. Uh, your number is number 26. Okay. 26. Okay, Yoshi Army Games. Yoshi Army Games. Okay, you are number 69. Okay, Vicky, your number. And remember, these numbers don't change, they stay the same. So, Vicky, you are actually number 1. Okay. Uh, Jefferson. Let's see your number. Okay, Jefferson, I don't actually see you as a subscriber. So, Jefferson, make sure you hurry and subscribe. Make sure your account is showing as public first. I will put you into the drawing, but make sure you're subscribed. I'll put you in there for this week. If I don't see you in there for next week, then I will remove your name, but make sure you're in there. If you don't know how to change it, reach out to me after the stream, and then I'll help you get that changed. Um, or if you can send me a screenshot of you subscribed, that works as well. But Jefferson, you are number 97. Okay. Jack, let's see yours. Where are you, Jack? Let's see here. All right, Jack, I actually don't see you on there. So the same thing for you, Jack. I'm gonna put your name on there. I thought you were on there, but I don't see you now. I'll put you on there. Okay. So Jack, you're number 98. Okay, so search is to 98 right now. Random roll. Okay, let's see here. All right. Good morning, Chelsea. Thanks for stopping by during work. Okay, let's see here. All right, Boss G. Let's see your number. All right, Boss G. Your number is 82. 82. All right. Let's see here. Do I have Courtney's number? Let's see here. This is why I ask before we doing the drawing to make sure that you guys are on there. All right. All right. So John, I do not see her number on here. So she must have her account that's showing as private. Um, Let me put her on the list. Please make sure that that is done. With changed. Provide a screenshot as well if you can real quickly to me. Amazon's moving back up. Let's see. Thank you, Vicky. Yes, Amazon's moving back up. I love to see that. And another thing I like to see is Tesla hitting 900 again, which is awesome. Really happy to see that. Alright, so I'm going to put Courtney's name on John. Um, she will be number 99 um, right now. Okay, just randomly. Okay, so last call for to get your number. Last call to get your number. Just in case. Let's see here. Awesome. Thank you, Jack. All right. All right. Well, we have 99, and I think we need to cut it off here. If you're not subscribed, please reach out to me. I'll help you get subscribed if you don't know how to do that, or if it's showing as private and not public, I'll help you get that changed. Right now, we are going with the number 99. Um, let's see here. Remember, I'm gonna do some random ones, and then I'll call out when I'm gonna do the final one. If you don't know your number, reach out to me anytime this week. I'll be able to help you get it. as well as when I call out the number that wins, I will go back to the Excel sheet. I'll look at what number you're attached to. Again, your number does not change weekly. So if you have the number 44, I don't know, then you have that same number next week as 44. Okay, so screenshot coming. There is a site that has a heat map you like to use. Nice, you'll have to tell me about it, Ash. Okay, screenshot coming. Thank you. All right, it is time to do the drawing. So here's some random ones. Are you guys nervous? I'm sure nobody here wants to win. You guys are all like, oh, you can keep the money, Kenny. We don't need it. All right, let's do the drawing. So the next roll here, right now it's set as 10, but the next roll will be the one that will be it. And thank you, John. I did get the screenshot. So the next roll will be the one to be the winner. Okay, here we go. 22. 22. Number 22 is the winner. All right. Number 22 is the Cool Mormon. So the Cool Mormon, reach out to me. You are this week's winner. So congratulations on being this week's winner. Remember, you have 30 days to reach out to me. If you do not reach out within those 30 days to claim your prize money, then you do not receive that money after 30 days. So you have 30 days to reach out to me. We'll get it sent to you within a day or two, and then you are still in the drawing for next week. So the winner is the Cool Mormon. So please reach out to me as soon as possible. All right, so congratulations again, the Cool Mormon. I'm gonna exit that now. Mom's knees weak, arms are heavy, Gucci flip flops, Kenny, mom's spaghetti. All right, congratulations. Please reach out to me within 30 days. I'm going to do a quick view on the market, and then we'll probably end our stream there. But one thing that's important that I need to make sure I told everybody is, today is the 31st of January for taxes. We are trying to get them all sent out today. I am running a little bit behind on that, which I apologize for. I'm hoping to still get them all sent out today. If not, it will be tomorrow. But you should still receive them pretty quickly. If you had an address change, uh, and you did not notify me, we're going to be sending it to the wrong one. So please let me know the address that you're at if you recently moved since you last gave me your address. So we want to make sure that we get it to the right people. Last year, I think we had, I think about 8 people that their tax forms got sent back to us. So I want to make sure we get it to the right people. So again, like I said, reach out to me. We'll get it to you as soon as possible. Again, we are running behind. Technically, we have until this 16th of February to send it. I found out as of last night, because I was stressing to try to get it done today. We and with this type of forms, we have until the 16th, but I don't want to wait till then. I still want to try to get it done today. Latest, send it out by tomorrow. So let us know if you don't receive it, because we want to make sure that you receive it. If you haven't received it by within a week or two. So again, I appreciate all of you guys, to be part of this. We couldn't do this without you. We are gonna leave the last couple minutes up to questions and answers. So let me know if you have any questions or answers, because we want to make sure we answer any of them. If we don't get anything by 8:20, that's when I'll end the stream there. Thanks for all you, for thanks again for all you do. Thank you so much, John. Couldn't do this without you. Hopefully, the couple trades that I did to show you guys how I trade really helped try to pick up an understanding of it. That is definitely the goal, to show you guys, hey, we're not just going in blind. We do have a strategy in place. It does take patience on it. So there are days that are high, some days that are low, but we do have a strategy that we try to stick with. So it's been definitely a lot of fun trading for people. Okay, we'll give it about another minute, see if any other questions come up. You're welcome, Boss G. Exactly. Like Keithan just said, this is why we have sometimes where there's no trading days, because we want to be safe, we want to be smart and strategic behind this. So if the market doesn't show like it could do it, I'm staying out. I'm not gonna risk other people's money, because the worst kind of feeling that I could have is losing other people's money. That's why I don't like to lose. We've only got like 3 losses in like 2.5 years or something like that. Um, and it really kills me that sometimes I've lost. Granted, I know that's all part of it. No one can have 100% win ratio. No one's perfect at it. But you still strive to do your best. Let's see here. Should rename the no trading days to strategically not trading days. Can I buy stock if I use VPN, right? I know that you're in the Philippines, so you would have to look at to see to get an international broker. Because like the broker that I use, E-Trade, you have to have a U.S. Social Security number to be able to trade using their platform. So that would be kind of hard. So you would not be able to do it with just a VPN unless you have a social security number. All right. All right, we will end the stream here. I appreciate you all taking the time to watch. I'm gonna keep working on this and see where we go from there. Again, uh, taxes will be sent out either today or tomorrow. We're just trying to get everything done as fast as possible. So, thank you so much for everybody for tuning in. You all have a great rest of your day. Thank you.